ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ, ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರದ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೂಲತಃ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಲೇಪಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅವರು ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲೇ ವಾಸವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡ್ರಗ್ಲೆಸ್ ಥೆರಪೀಸ್, ಹಿಪ್ನೋಥೆರಪಿ, ಓಪನೋಪನೋ ಮತ್ತೆ EFT ಈ ತರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಂಡೇ ಭಾನುವಾರ ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಓಪನೋಪನೋ ಹೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೇಖಿ, ಸೋಲ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಿವ ಪಂಚತತ್ವ ಈ ತರ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು EFT ಅನ್ನ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಕಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೆ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಓಪನೋಪನೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಕೆಲವರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇವರು. ತುಂಬಾ ತಮಾಷೆಯಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ವೇ ಹಿ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕರಿಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ವಿಂದರ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಅಗೇನ್ request, welcome you all to the session. I slipped out of my mind. It is supposed to be in English. So I invite once again Sri Srinivas ji to this session. We already had a session from Srinivas ji on Ho'oponopono. So thank you all for joining in. So now I hand over the stage to Srinivas sir. So today the topic will be on access bars. So I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you again for joining. Yes, sir. Namaste.
Yes, sure. Thank you for a kind introduction, Gurudat sir. Let us start with a brief presentation so that it will be easy to understand. Thanks to all of you for your interest in access consciousness bars. Access bars, access tools, access body processes. Like this, there are different types of procedures of there in access consciousness. Access consciousness is all about empowering people to know that they know. It is not that we are teaching something new. You are already conscious. No, we are just accessing the consciousness. That means we are just empowering you to know that you already know. And access mantra is one of the most popular access mantra. It is, all of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy and glory. In access consciousness, we start operating being an infinite being. Infinite beings operate from just by knowing. The limited beings operate from thoughts, feelings, emotions, which are limited and have their own limitations. To understand what is infinite being, let us do small exercise. It takes only a couple of minutes. I request all of you to just close your eyes. See that you are sitting in a relaxed position. Keep both the hands, both the palms on the stomach, and observe the breathing coming in and going out. Now you just expand yourself beyond your body. You just see that you are expanding beyond your body in all the directions. Keep expanding. You can feel the walls of the room where you are sitting. Keep expanding in all the directions, sideways, front, back, top, bottom. Expand to the whole building. Expand for another 1 kilometer in all the directions. Now whole building, surrounding buildings, entire area is in you. You still have the capacity to expand. Keep expanding yourself. Expand for another 10 kilometers. Expand for another 100 kilometers in all the directions. Now the whole city is in you. Expand for another 1,000 kilometers. Still you have the capacity to expand. Keep expanding. Expand for another 10,000 kilometers in all the directions. Expand to whole earth. Keep expanding. Expand to surrounding planets, moons. Expand to entire solar system. Keep expanding. Expand to entire galaxy. Our galaxy is made up of millions of known and unknown stars, planets, known and unknown creations. And you still have the capacity to expand. Keep expanding in all the directions, the surrounding galaxies. Expand to whole cosmos, the entire universe. There are trillions of galaxies, known and unknown creations are there in the universe. Keep expanding to the whole universe. And still you have the capacity to expand. Keep expanding. In that expansion state, open your eyes. What did you experience? Do you believe that you are in the body or your body is in you. You can unmute yourself and say whether you are in your body or your body is in you.
Body is in me.
Thank you. In this expansion state, you are connected to the whole cosmos. You are infinite. You are connected to each and every universal molecule, the infinite being, infinite joy, infinite bliss. There is only one thing. You are connected to each and every universal molecule. And from this point, being an infinite being, you start operating. That is what we are learning in access consciousness. Access consciousness powers, tools, access consciousness procedures. There are different various procedures are there. Gary Douglas and Dane Heer are the founders of accessconsciousness.com. Access Consciousness. Gary Douglas is the founder of the Access Consciousness, and Dr. Dane Heer is the co-founder. Access Consciousness includes everything and judges nothing, no judgment. It is the way to let go of the things. It is easy to let go by clearing the underlying energies of the any issues you're addressing just by asking questions and clearing with the clearing statement. And access bars are the 32 points on the head. By slightly touching this point, by using the access consciousness, powerful access consciousness tools, we run these points. These 32 points are known as the access bars. There are different points for each and every concept. For example, money, there is a point, healing, time and communication, space, creativity, or healing, aging, like this for each and every thing, there are different points. There are total 32 points are there. For example, when you touch the money point and running with access consciousness tools, all your thoughts, feelings, emotions, beliefs related to money, surrounding the money, and all the limitations will be released. And they all the thoughts, feelings, emotions, limitations about money are stored in this money point in the form of electromagnetic components. When you touch this point gently, it will be all those energies, limitations will be released. Then the money flow will be harmonious and it will be easy. You'll be having no judgment about money, how much money I should have. If I have this much money, then I'll become rich. If I didn't have this much money, then I'll not be able to lead my life. I need to have the money in this way only. I need to receive money in this way only. Like this, all your limitations, it will be released. And these are the access bars. To run the access bars, you need another person. You will be touching that person's points, the access bars. By using the access consciousness tools, you will be activating the bars. That is known as running bars, running access bars, running the money point, healing band, like this. The first thing in access consciousness is being in question. What if you are always asked a question, not expecting an answer, whether it is right or wrong? Here you are asking questions to just get an awareness that gives you multiple choices. To get more awareness, to get multiple choices, to be open to possibilities, we are asking the questions. When you ask more questions, the more choices you have available, and the more aware you will become of possibilities. Access is all about being in question. Access is all no answers, only questions. You're just asking the questions and universe will show the possibilities. Ask the question and let the universe work on it. And it is an easy process. Gary Douglas, around 30 years back, when life was not working for him, then he started asking questions. What can I be or do different today that would change all realities right away? What can I be, do, have, create, or generate that would make my life and the world a better place? Like this, he was keep on asking questions because he was no more interested in life. It was boring and the things were not working. Then he started asking these questions to the universe and being willing to open to the possibilities, what the universe is showing up. And another question he was asking is, what can I perceive, know, and be that would make my life worth living? Like this, he was keep on asking. And when he's being open to the possibilities, he started seeing the different possibilities. Then he came in contact with another master who is doing the massage therapy. And during that massage therapy, then he realized through channeling, he realized these points, 32 points on the head, today which we call it as the access bars. And along with access bars, there are different clearing statements to clear the underlying energies. And that clearing statements we will be discussing today. As I told, being in question. For example, let us see one question is the most common question and the most popular question in the access consciousness, most widely used. How does it get any better than this? You can ask this question when something bad happens or something good happens. Either way, you see that things will improve. You just ask, how does it get any better than this? And let the universe work on it. Ask this question multiple times and let the universe work on it. And you will be open to the different possibilities, multiple choices. It's so wonderful. Because the whole universe is backing you. Another question is, what will it take for me to laugh? Even though it is funny, many times we are finding it so difficult to laugh. We need people, we need entertainment in so many things to laugh. What if you're always happy, blissful? Just ask this question, what will it take for me to laugh? Just by asking this question itself, I feel like laughing. The access mantra, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. If you say this access mantra 10 times in the morning and 10 times in the evening, you see that your life becomes easy and joyful. You just say, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. It will change your energy. Your increases your positive vibrations. You'll be starting with the higher vibrations, the positive vibrations. Just say this mantra 10 times in the morning and 10 times in the evening. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Now we are going to discuss about one tool that can change your life. The interesting thing is it is very easy to use and it gives instant results. It has saved many lives from suicidal tendencies. I personally experienced wonderful results by using this tool, the easiest tool. One tool for your life is enough. It will change your life. The interesting truth is 98% of the thoughts, feelings, emotions that you have in your mind are not yours. 98% of this stuff in your mind does not belong to you. They don't even belong to you. You are like a big radio receiver picking up on everything that is happening around you. And this tool helps to release all this stuff. When you receive any thought, feeling, emotion, with a pain or discomfort, when you feel in your space, body, mind, any kind of disturbance, you start believing it is yours. Then you make it yours. It is not true. It is received from outside. You can clear it and you will be free. The tool is here. For each and every thought, feeling, emotion, or pain, you just ask, who does this belong to? Who does this belong to? For each and every thought, each and every feeling, each and every emotion, judgment, projection, just ask, who does this belong? Who does this belong? Who does this belong? Keep asking this question multiple times, maybe 3 minutes, 5 minutes, like that. You feel the lightness, you feel lightness. Then that means it does not belong to you. Then return to sender by saying return to sender with consciousness attached. Then use the clearing statement, right and wrong, good and bad, hard and fog, all night, shorts, boys, and beyond. For each and every thought, feeling, emotion, we'll be asking, who does this belong to? Then return to sender with consciousness attached. You are returning to sender because it is not yours. As soon as you feel something in your body, mind, you make it yours. You start believing it is yours. Now it is time to let go of the 98% of this stuff, which is not at all contributing for you and which is causing lot of heaviness, disturbance for you, your body, mind, and in your life. Then clear the energy by saying the clearing statement, right and wrong, good and bad, hard and fog, all night, shorts, boys, and beyonds. And when you are asking who does this belong to several times, you can ask, is it mine? Is it mine? If you feel yes, then clear it by saying, everywhere I made it mine, I destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, hard and fog, all night, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Who does this belong to? Is it mine? If you feel yes when you are asking, is it mine? Then you clear it by saying, everywhere I made it mine, I destroyed and uncreate it all times a godzillion. Right, wrong, good, bad, hard, fog, all night, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Then again, who does this belong to? You can ask, is it someone else? If you feel yes, then return to sender with consciousness attached. And this tool is all about for this, because in access consciousness, it is found that 98% of the stuff in your space, either in the form of thoughts, feelings, emotions, discomfort, judgment, does not belong to you. So when you ask, is it someone else? If you feel yes, then clear it by saying, return to sender with consciousness attached. Then clear the energies by saying the clearing statement, right and wrong, good and bad, hard and fog, all nine, shorts, boys, and beyonds. Is it something else? If you feel yes when you ask, is it something else, then expand to whole universe and give whatever it is to Mother Earth. Yes, we had done in the beginning the expanding to the whole universe exercise. Like that, you will be expanding to the whole universe and pulling energy from all the universal molecules. Just lift your hands and pulling energy from all the universal molecules. Send that energy to the Mother Earth by saying 1, 2, 3. When you say 3, you're opening the hands and sending the energy to the Mother Earth. Like this, you'll be doing. Now, I just request all of you, you just observe any kind of disturbing thought or any feeling or emotion in your body, mind, or discomfort is there. You just close your eyes for a couple of seconds and see. Once you find this disturbing or thought, feeling, emotion, for this you just ask, who does this belong to? Who does this belong to? Who does this belong? Keep asking, who does this belong? You can do it mentally or you can say it out loud, whichever is convenient for you. Keep asking, who does this belong? Who does this belong? Who does this belong to? 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 Now you ask, is it mine? Is it mine? Is it mine? Is it someone else? Is it someone else? Is it someone else? Is it something else? Is it something else? Is it something else? Just think of one thought, feeling, or emotion, what you're going through, which is causing you heaviness or disturbance or sadness. For that, you just ask, who does this belong? Who does this belong? Who does this belong? Who does this belong? Is it mine? Is it mine? Is it someone else? Is it someone else? Is it something else? Now I request you, one by one, please say, when you asked, is it mine? Did you feel yes? Any of you? Either you can unmute yourself and say, or you can mention in the chat.
No,
They
sir.
felt
No,
no,
sir.
no. Good. When you ask, is it something, someone else? Any of you find yes? Okay.
Yes.
1, 2. Now people have started typing yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Just now, whatever the thought you are going through, that you just ask yourself, who does this belong to? Is it mine and is it someone else? When you ask, is it someone else? Most of the people felt yes, except one person. And when you ask, is it something else? Did any of you feel yes?
No, sir.
Yes, no response. And here you can understand that in access consciousness, whatever it is found, that 98% of the thoughts, feelings, emotions, pain or heaviness, projections, rejection, judgments, beliefs, does not belong to you. And here you are the live example. You people experienced. When you ask, is it mine? Everybody felt no. When you ask, is it someone else? Most of the people felt yes. That means it does not belong to you. Now it's time to let go. Return to sender. When you return to sender, that thought, feeling, emotion, that heaviness, it will be released from you and you will be free from that heaviness or pain or stress. And that to let go, return to sender is easy. Now I request all of you to repeat. Return to sender
Return to sender.
with consciousness attached.
Consciousness
Yes,
attached.
sir.
Who does this belong to?
Who
Who
does
does this belong to?
Return to sender
Return to
Return
sender
with consciousness attached.
with consciousness attached.
Right and wrong,
Right
and wrong,
good and bad,
good
good and bad,
pod and pop,
and pop,
all night,
all
shorts,
shots
boys,
voice,
and beyonds.
beyond.
and beyond.
Clearing statement looks weird. It's so crazy, no? What is this? Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pop, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. He's putting some beautiful words in one phrase and sentence and saying this thing. This is a wonderful clearing statement. I'll be explaining about this. It is so wonderful. It is releasing all the underlying energies and the hidden stuff, the hidden energies of the particular limitation or thought you are cleaning up. And when you ask, is it something else? I felt one person felt yes. When you feel yes, when you're asking, is it something else? Then you need to contribute that, give that whatever it is to Mother Earth. How to send it? You need to expand to the whole universe. Yes, you have done. Now I request all of you, either by closing the eyes or opening the eyes, just lift your hands like this and expand to the whole universe beyond your body, beyond the room, building, surroundings, planet, solar system, entire cosmos. Keep expanding in all the directions. Infinite, you are an infinite being. Expand the whole universe. Now the entire universe, whole cosmos is in you. Now pull energy from all the universal molecules through your palms. Pull energy from all the universal molecules. Hold it and send it to the mother by saying 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again, pull the energy, hold it. 1, 2, 3. You're sending the energy to the Mother Earth. Like this, you'll be doing 3 times, and again, pull energy from all the universal molecules, hold it, send it to the Mother by saying 1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
This way, you can release that energy by contributing to the Mother Earth. And this contribution has one more advantage. There's the healing energy. For example, any of your known person, family member or relative or friends, anybody is not doing well, either physically or mentally or financially, going through some difficult situation, then you feel like helping that person. Then you can send the energy to that person, healing energy, whatever is required for that person. And it is so easy. You just think of that person. For example, now you just think of one person whom you want to send energy and expand the whole universe. Pull energy from all the universal molecules through your palms. Hold it send that energy to that person by saying 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When you say 3, you are sending that energy to that person. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2,
This is so easy. I think it should be more complicated. This way you can do the energy contribution and clear your 98% of the stuff which is not contributing for you. Just by asking who does this belong to. Return to sender with consciousness attached. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, POC, all 9 shorts, files, and beyonds. I keep on saying what is right, wrong, good, bad, pot, POC, but I didn't explain what it is. Let us see what it is. Whether it is interesting, funny, powerful. Yes, here it comes. Clearing statement, just
good and bad.
weird words, totally change your life. The beauty and magic and potency of the access consciousness clearing statement is
Viewed
its
and
capacity
beyond.
to clear the hidden stuff that you're not even aware that is keeping you stuck.
Right and good, right and wrong, good
Yes.
and good.
And wrong, good and bad, pod and pop, all
And
lines.
to use this clearing statement, you need not to believe in this. You need not to believe this clearing statement. And you need not to understand the meaning of this clearing statement. Still it works because it is straight away going to the insane mind, the subconscious mind, where all the stuff is stored, the hidden stuff, underlying energy of that particular limitation, what you are working on, and it will be released. For your information, I'll give the meaning of this clearing statement. When you say right and wrong, what is right about this? The limitation, what you are clearing on. What is wrong about this? Good and bad. What is good about this? What is bad about this? Most of the time, when we judge something as bad, we are willing to let go. But once we judge something as good, we are holding on to that. We are not willing to let go. So this clearing statement clearing all the layers, whether it is right or wrong, good or bad, so that you'll be free. And pod and POC. POC POC means point of creation. Where this point got created, this limitation got created. POD pod means point of destruction. All 9. Gary Douglas, the founder of Access Consciousness, has put 9 different layers of the energies, 9 different layers of the energies of the limitation in one word to clear it. That is 9. What is, how it is diminishing me, how it is helping me, what rewards I will be getting if it is good, right? What punishment I will get if it is bad, like that. 9 different layers. He has put all in one word, all 9. When you say this, all 9 layers will be cleared. Shorts. Shorts is the short form of what is meaningful about this, what is meaningless about this. You put the limitation. When you do judge something as meaningless, and over a period of time, it is coming back and hitting you. So you need to clear each and everything, whether it is meaningful or meaningless. Poise means the nucleated spheres. Nucleated spheres like one on the other, one on the above, one on the above, like different layers of the energies of that particular limitation. Like peeling the layers of the onion. You keep on peeling the layers of the onion, peeling the layers of the onion. You will reach into tears. Nowhere you will reach. Like that, there are different layers of energies are there for each and every limitation. All the layers will be cleared when you say this. And beyond is the feeling of struck, beyond imagination, beyond your thinking capacity. When you say this clearing statement, clearing all these energies, different layers, different dimensions, the beliefs, judgments. You just say right and wrong, good and bad, pod and POC, all 9, shorts, boys, and beyonds. That is the clearing statement. I'll say it slowly for you. Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pop, all 9, shorts, boys and beyonds. When you ask the question, you see that different possibilities show up. And as you are an infinite being connected to each and every universal molecule, when you ask the question to the universe starts backing you, starts supporting you, starts showing up different possibilities, different choices. So for each and every thought, feeling, whether it is pain or emotion, situation, you just ask, what is this? What do I do with it? Can I change it? If so, how can I change it? We just ask these questions several times and let the universe work on it. No need to expect for any answer or solution. It's all about being in question. For example, if you are feeling sad, depressed, you can ask, what is that I am holding on to that I am ready to kill myself but not went out? When you ask this question, all the underlying energy starts showing up, and then clear it, blast it by saying everything that is, I destroy and uncreate it all times a Godzillion. Here, when we use everything that is, I destroy. Destroy means destroying the structural limitations of that energy, that limitation, and uncreate. You're uncreating that and creating the energy to choose what you want. And times a Godzillion. Million, zillion, like this, we heard Godzillion is the word, the largest number God only knows. And then you clear the energy by saying right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pop, all 9, shorts, boys and beyonds. Now we'll do the clearing for you. When I ask the question, everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate at all times a Godzillion, you just say yes, so that the energy will be cleared. What is that you are holding on to, that you are ready to kill yourself but not went out? Everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate it all times a Godzillion, please?
Right and wrong.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all 9, shorts, boys and beyonds. When I ask question, you just say yes, that is enough. It will clear. And for aging, you can ask this question. If you feel like aged or discomfort in the body, uneasiness in the body, you're not flexible, and all your thoughts, feelings, emotions, judgments, projections about your body, age, and all, you can clear by saying this beautiful clearing statement. I'll do the clearing. When I ask the question, you just say yes. What energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be to have the countenance of a 20-year-old body for eternity with total fun, joy, and ease? Everything that doesn't allow, will you now destroy and uncreate it all times a Godzillion, please?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all 9, shorts, boys and beyonds. What energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be to have the countenance of a 20-year-old body for eternity with a total fun, joy, and ease? Everything that is, will you now? Everything that doesn't allow, will you now destroy and uncreate it all times a Godzillion, please?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all 9, shorts, boys and beyonds. 20 years is okay for you, or you want to make it 19? To let go of the past hurts and emotional weight, painful emotions. This is a beautiful clearing statement. What hurts of the past you are refusing to lose? If you lose, it will give intimacy with you and the capacity to create the life you are refusing to choose. Everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate it all times a Godzillion, please?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pod, pock, all 9, shorts, boys and beyonds. To clean on the back pain, Gary Douglas says, those people who are having back pain, they are hiding the things on their back. So now it's time to let go. What is that you are hiding behind you? Everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate it all times a Godzillion, please?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good,
Yes.
bad, POD, POC, online, short, spice, and beyonds.
Yes.
If you have any kind of pain, discomfort in the body, what is causing this pain? Everything that is, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Times a Godzillion, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, online, short, spice, and beyonds. For anything that you are judging or getting disturbed. Another thing, when you use this tool, you will be free from taking anything personally. What if you don't take anything personally? Each and everything, we can make an interesting point of view. If someone says having 3 times food is good, having 5 times food is good, it is just their point of view. You need not to take anything personally. For each and every judgment, projection, thoughts, feelings, emotions, you can just say, interesting point of view, I have this point of view. You just make each and everything your point of view and be in the alliance instead of agreeing, rejecting, and going away with that emotion. Free yourself just by making the interesting point of view, each and everything. Just say interesting point of view, I have this point of view. Interesting point of view, I have this point of view.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಿ ಸರ್ ಫುಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
And you will see that energy of the judgment or any point of view is there gets dissipated. To let go of the past hurts which are causing various health issues. Most of the time we are holding on to past hurts. Somewhere something has happened 1 year back, 1 month back, or 20 years back. And we are still holding on to that, and that energy in our space is causing a lot of discomfort in the body, mind, leading to different health issues. Now it's time to let go of that. Let us clean on that. What the shit or crap you are unwilling to let go from your life. Everything that is, everywhere you're not able to know, be, perceive, and receive. Will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Times a Godzillion, please. Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, online, short, spice, and beyonds. If your mind is going crazy, full of thoughts, if you don't know what to do, just keep saying everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. And you will be freed. How many of you wish to be playful? You're not being playful just because of your position, just because of the place you are in, just because you are a mother, father, or elder person, responsible person, you are in so and so position, you have reached certain age. Let us be playful. Let us do each and everything so easily. Let us make our life easy. What energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be to be playful with a total fun, joy, and ease? Everything that doesn't allow, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Times a Godzillion, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, wrong, bad, POD, POC, online, short, spice, and beyonds. To make your life easy, what energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be to have ease in your life? Everything that doesn't allow, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Times a Godzillion, please.
Yes.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, online, short, spice, and beyonds. Thanks to all of you. Oh, video is off. How does it get any better than this? I took 5 minutes more. Sorry, Gurudat sir.
No problem. Excellent, excellent. Such a simple technique. Any questions, feedbacks from the participants? Okay, thank
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
you, sir.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you all.
Most welcome, madam.
Thank you, Srinivas. coming and enlighten us with more knowledge. Thank you.
Most welcome, sir.